If you are a broccoli lover just like us, then try this quick and easy recipe, the broccoli stir fry. This is a great side dish, and it's always healthy to serve vegetables during mealtime. And here are the ingredients I'm using today. I already prepared and cut our broccoli florets. I also like adding some corn to my stir fry. To get started, fill your pot with water more than midway and boil it. Once it boils, add in your broccoli florets and boil it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep the pot uncovered. If you notice, the pale broccoli changed its color to a vibrant green. Once you're done, take your broccoli out of the pot. You can also plunge the broccoli into an ice bath or cold water to stop the cooking process. This will preserve the color, flavor, and nutrients of your broccoli. The key to a good stir fry is a hot pan. When your pan is ready, put the butter and then cook your garlic. When it starts to turn brown, add in your onion. After a few minutes, add in your red bell pepper. When you're done sauteing your spices, add in your broccoli. Add 2 tablespoons of corn. And then season it with salt and pepper. Give one final mix and we're done. We are now ready to serve our broccoli stir fry. We can list down a good number of health benefits when we include broccoli in our meals. To name a few, broccoli is rich in fiber and protein. It helps prevent cancer, fights inflammation, and it's a natural detox, and the list could go on and on. For our good health, consider cooking our easy broccoli stir fry for your family at home. Thank you for watching our video today. I'll be posting more healthy, quick, easy, and delicious recipes from my kitchen to yours. This has been Adela of Alguno Diaries, wishing you and your family good health and happy life always. Until next time, bye!